Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. In today's class, we are going to look at some of the important multiple choice questions with respect to Indian Financial Systems 2, which is the economics general paper for SYBA. In this class, I'll cover Asian Development Bank. I've already covered International Monetary Fund and World Bank. The link for the same will be given in the description, so you can go and check out those lectures as well. So let's get started. The first question is, Dash Bank is a regional development bank, and the underlying options are A. Reserve Bank of India, B. World Bank, C. Asian Development Bank, and D. BRICS Bank. So here, which bank is a regional development bank? So amongst the option C is the correct answer, that is Asian Development Bank is a regional development bank. So I hope the question is clear. Let us now move to the next one. There are Dash members in the Asian Development Bank, or Dash members of Asian Development Bank, and the underlying options are A. 62, B. 64, C. 66, and D. 68 members. So here, very factual sort of a question. There are in all 68 members of the Asian Development Bank. So here option D, 68, is the correct answer to this particular question. I hope the question is clear. Let us now move to the next one. The but obvious question is, where is the headquarter located of Asian Development Bank? And the question is, the headquarter of Asian Development Bank is located at Dash, and the underlying options are, it is located in India, China, Pakistan, and Philippines. So here the correct answer is, the headquarters of Asian Development Bank is located at Philippines. So here option D, Philippines, is the correct answer to this particular question. I hope that is clear. Let us now move to the next one. Again, a very obvious question. When was the Asian Development Bank established? And the question is, the Asian Development Bank was established on Dash, and the underlying options are A. 19th of October 1966, B. 19th of November 1966, C. 19th of December 1966, and D. none of the above. So here the correct answer is, the Asian Development Bank, or ADB, was established on option C, 19th of December 1966. So here option C, 19th of December 1966, is the correct answer. I hope the factual questions associated with Asian Development Bank are pretty much clear. Let us now move to the next one. The next one is, the main partners of Asian Development Bank are what? The main partners of Asian Development Bank are A. NGOs, B. governments, C. private sector, D. development agencies, E. foundations, and F. community-based organizations. So we have been given these many options, and we have to select the correct answer. Here there are 4 options given to us. Okay, so the first option is A, B, C. That means the main partners of Asian Development Bank are A, B, and C, that is NGOs, governments, and private sectors. Then second option is C, D, E, that is private sector, development agencies, and foundations. The third option is D, E, F, that is development agencies, foundations, and community-based organizations. And last is, the main partners of Asian Development Bank are all of these, that means NGOs, government, private sector, development agencies, foundations, and community-based organizations. So here the correct answer is option 4, all of these. That means the main partners of Asian Development Bank are NGOs, government organizations, private sector organizations, development agencies, foundations, and community-based organizations. So option D, all of the above, or A, B, C, D, E, F, is the correct answer to this question. Very important question. I hope the question is clear. Let us now move to the next one. Very current or latest sort of, or current affairs sort of a question. Who became the latest member of Asian Development Bank in the year 2019? And the underlying options are A, India, B, Madagascar, C, New, or D, Pakistan. So here the latest member of the Asian Development Bank in 2019 is option C, New. So here option C is the correct answer to this particular question. Let us now move to the next question, which is again a current sort of a question. Dash is the current president of Asian Development Bank, or who is the current president of Asian Development Bank? Whether it is A, Narendra Modi, B, Matasagu Asakawa, C, Bambang Susantono, or D, none of the above. So here the correct answer is option B, Masatasugu Asakawa is the president or current president of Asian Development Bank, and therefore option B is the correct answer to this particular question. I hope the question is clear. Let us now move to the next one, which is talking about functions of Asian Development Bank, and the question is, which of the following are important functions of Asian Development Bank? And the underlying options are: A, provide medium and long-term funds; B, undertake entrepreneurial role; C, extend refinance facility to institutions; and D, all of the above. That means refinance facility, entrepreneurial role, and provide medium and long-term funds. So here the correct answer is option D, which is provide medium and long-term funds, undertake entrepreneurial role, and extend refinance facility to institutions. So here option D is the correct answer to the question which talks about the important functions of Asian Development Bank. So here option D is the correct answer. Let us now move to the next question. Dash is committed to achieving a prosperous, inclusive, resilient and sustainable Asia and Pacific while sustaining its efforts to eradicate extreme poverty. Who is committed to achieving all these things? Whether it is A, BRICS Bank, whether it is B, Asian Development Bank, whether it is C, World Bank, or D, International Monetary Fund. So whose motto is committed to achieving a prosperous, inclusive, resilient and sustainable Asia Pacific while sustaining its efforts to eradicate extreme poverty? Whose motto is this? Whether it is A, BRICS Bank, B, ADB, or Asian Development Bank, C, World Bank, or IMF. So here the correct answer is nothing but Asian Development Bank or ADB. Option B is the correct answer to this particular question, whose motto is committed to achieving a prosperous, inclusive, resilient and sustainable Asia Pacific and while sustaining its efforts to eradicate extreme poverty. So option B is the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Let us now move to the next one, which is again in a sense talking about the roles of ADB. So all these three questions are going to talk about the roles of ADB. Here we have seen the functions. Here we are looking at the roles or role of ADB. So the question is, the roles of Asian Development Bank are, and the underlying options are: A, promotion and development of small scale industry; B, provide finance and development of housing sector; C, promote and develop large scale industries; and D, all of the above. So here, which of the following denotes the roles of Asian Development Bank? All these 3 points, that means promotion and development of small scale as well as large scale industries, and provide finance and development of housing sector. So here option D, all of the above, is the correct answer to this particular question. Let us now move to the next question, which is again in a sense talking about the roles of Asian Development Bank, and the question is, which of the following denotes the roles of Asian Development Bank or ADB? And the underlying options are: A, helps in development of agriculture; B, enhances foreign trade; C, facilitates entrepreneurship; and last is all of the above. So here again all these 3 points denotes the important roles played by Asian Development Bank. That means facilitate entrepreneurship, finance or help in provision of development functions or finances for agriculture, and also enhance foreign trade. And therefore option D, all of the above, is the correct answer to this particular question. I hope the question is clear. Let us now move to the next one. The next one is, dash are the important roles of Asian Development Bank. What are the important roles of Asian Development Bank? A is facilitate rural and regional development; B is contribute in the growth of capital markets; C is review or cure sick industrial units in a country; and D, all of the above. So here again all these 3 points, that means review or cure the sick industrial units present in a country, contribute to the growth of capital markets, as well as facilitate rural and regional development, are all the important roles played by Asian Development Bank, and hence option D, all of the above, is the correct answer to this question. I hope that all these 3 important questions are pretty much clear, because these questions have given us 9 important roles played by Asian Development Bank, and they are promotion and development of small scale industries, promotion and development of large scale industries, provide finance and development of housing sector, helps in development of agriculture, enhance foreign trade, facilitate entrepreneurship, facilitate rural and regional development, contribute to the growth of capital markets, and review and cure sick industrial units in an economy. So these are important 9 roles played by the Asian Development Bank. I hope the questions in association to the Asian Development Bank are pretty much clear. In the next lecture, we will cover the objectives as well as the management structure of Asian Development Bank. So please stay tuned for more. Thank you.